Mr. Ash Mufareh has given us financial freedom. Over 1 million founders have joined Onpassive, and there are millions more coming as affiliates and customers. That phase of Onpassive is now a part of the growing process of Onpassive. Onpassive will be written in history as the most monumental information and technology giant ever to be launched into the world. The video conferencing platform called OConnect is moments away from being released to the public. When it is released, OConnect will send shockwaves throughout the internet and the world of business and social settings. Our financial lives are set, and those who need help, Onpassive is putting us in the position to do that. Mr. Mufareh revealed to all founders just how much he and his family really love us. We can show the world that we reflect the hearts of Mr. Ash Mufareh and his family and his staff. Our love is unlimited. Onpassive can't be matched by any other company online or offline. Never in the history of business has there ever been a company built like Onpassive. Onpassive is bold and beautiful. Onpassive's infrastructure and business model have been lovingly designed for the benefit of helping people, not for making the maximum amount of profit. The complete opposite of most other companies proliferating the internet. And those companies would have to operate their businesses like Onpassive's business model. But how can they do that? Onpassive's business model is proprietary. Those other companies have stockholders that will hold them where they are. Those companies will not be able to compete with Onpassive's business. Onpassive, through its founders, will redistribute the wealth and give to the poor. People who use Onpassive's state-of-art digital masterpiece products will be able to make money while saving money. That is mind-blowing and revolutionary. What a powerful and positive impact Onpassive will have on the lives of countless millions of people. None of this would be possible without the heart and the love Mr. Ash Mufareh has for humanity. His love for people is built into Onpassive's digital products, and that makes Onpassive spectacular and unbeatable. For any other company doing business, the added value that Onpassive has in its products makes trying to match Onpassive impossible. Mr. Mufareh's genius and vision are about to be realized by the world and the internet. For decades, users of the internet have been looking for ways to make money, to increase the quality of their lives and their families' lives. Every shiny object promising that it can help them make money has been a failure for 98% of those who have been attracted to those shiny objects. That failure model is all over the internet. Finally, for those internet users is a light at the end of the tunnel, with the dreams of hundreds of millions of users of the internet. This light powered by love is Onpassive. Onpassive will not only make you money, but also save you money. That is an unbeatable and perfect combination. The two final positions open to the public are affiliates and customers positions. Affiliates and customers don't despair. The affiliate position is massive, especially for those currently in the network marketing and direct sales arenas. Network marketers and direct salespeople, listen up. You are working so hard trying to recruit, make sales, and educate your downlines and affiliates that it has taken the joy out of what you do and love. You have to constantly worry about trying to help them make money. You might have been able to make money yourself, but you haven't been able to get your people to duplicate your success. You might have made money and have no time or freedom. How would you like a company that will do the work for you, and you pay that company for targeted traffic designed to make your job easier? How about having the ability to bring your complete downlines and affiliates with you, and have the company give you the ability to do that? You're probably saying that sounds too good to be true. Well, for those who acted after the founder's position closed, they will have the privilege to be customers and affiliates very soon. Founders will be given links inviting you to join this information and technology giant. Founders, stay excited. Stay in the mix and sit back and see what Mr. Ash Mufareh and his technology team have been doing.